of course, when I want to go cut the grass. I just need my lawnmower to function with me right now. Let's go. I'm barely getting out of this season. Weather's changing, of course. I've been talking about it a lot, but to make matters worse, I'm behind and I need to get this grass cut. Of course, when I want to go cut the grass, I just need my lawnmower to function with me right now. I just need to get out to see. I will take care of you. I will clean the carburetor. I'll make sure all the nozzles are good. But right now, I don't want to have to do too much work just to get you running. The work should be getting out of the season. Final, big grass cut, we're good. But of course, it doesn't work like that. So, wow. Just trying to get out of the season. We'll see what happens, though. We will see what happens. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is yet, but this lever seems to be working. I'm thinking carb, but I did put in a clean carb early in the season. But I'm thinking carb. I did notice that screw somehow is not on. Don't like that. But I don't think that there's an issue with the gasket. Seems to be closed. I don't see anything there. Yeah, I don't know, but I think it's carb. I dread having to take this thing apart, clean the carb. It doesn't take that long, but I don't lose my confidence. I can't see sunlight coming out the other side, so what that's telling me is there's something in there. I might have got lucky. I've already ordered the replacement of the fuel filter, the fuel pump, but that's okay because we'll be set up for next season.
Secret admirer, I've been
Special thanks to everyone who's been part of the conversation, streams, projects, and experiments. If any of this resonates with you, stick around.